Basketball U, we are back once again. Oh yeah. Hey, remember you can do these workouts anytime, any place, anywhere. Okay? You just need a basketball and a hoop, of course. And then some of the workouts you don't even need a basketball. So, speaking of getting right, we're getting right into it. Let's go through a couple stretches real quick. You know, we got those lunges. We got to get that good stretch in there. We got those sumo squats that we're going to get in. We got some quick jumping jacks, okay? And then we got some high knees, all right? Then right after that, we're going to jump rope. So make sure we jump rope. We're getting nice and warm with the jump rope. All right, guys, we're going into shooting. We're going right away with laying it up real quick. No footwork, just layups real quick off the glass. I want you guys to make 30 as quick as you can on the left side, 30 as quick as you can on the right side. Then after you do that, I want you to go miking. Then I want you to go footwork drills on your layups. After you do footwork drills in your layups, I then want you to go from every angle of the perimeter. So you're going to go from the corner and lay it up. You're going to go from the wing and lay it up. You're going to go from the top and lay it up. You're going to go from the wing and lay it up. And then you're going to go from the other corner and lay it up. Okay. Then you're going to go all the way back around again. Okay. This drill and workout today is just going to be high energy, and really there's going to be no conditioning at the end because we're working so hard during the workout. So we're going to do this 3 times where you're going from every angle of the floor in 5 spots, laying the ball up. Okay, if you miss the layup, you got to start over. That's just what we're going to do. We're not going to play the game of missing wide open layups when no one is on us. Okay, we're intense right now. We're in game mode. Let's get ready. We get right into it. Okay, right into defensive slides. Okay, from the baseline we're going to the block, from the block back to the baseline, from the hash mark back to the block, back to the hash mark. Boom, turning, sprinting, getting out of there full speed. Remember, we're working on an athletic stance. We're staying low. We're working on our turn. Let's go. We're sliding back. Yep, let's go. I like it. Yep, staying low, pushing off hard. Boom, turn and go. I like it. Okay, great job. Okay, so now we're going to face the other way. We're going to do the same thing. You're going to do 4 sets of these with the same intensity that I just put you through. Okay, so make sure we are going at full speed. Okay, no breaks. Okay, now we're going to use those 2 cones again. We're going to slide under and then go over. Then slide under and push off really hard. 2 hard slides should get you to the next set of cones. Then you're going over again, shuffling without crossing your feet. And then we're pushing off and we're going hard. Okay, that is what we want to do. Let's go. If your legs get tight, great. If you're getting tired, great. I want you to be great. So let's keep working and shake that fatigue off you. Shake that tiredness off you. It's all mental, baby. It's all mental. Let's go. So now what we got is we got zigzags, okay? We're going to go zigzags hard, okay? And then we're going to sprint down, okay, to get right back into it. So you're going diagonal to the block or to a cone. Then you're going diagonal away from there, then diagonal away from there, then diagonal, then boom, full sprint back, okay? And then you take a quick 10-second break, and then you get right back into it. We got 5 sets of zigzags. We're staying low. We're working on dropping our hips. We're working on pushing off, and we are working. Okay, we're working. And then we're going to get right into dribbling. Oh, yeah. Let's do it. No stationary dribble. We're going right into the move. So the first one we're going to do is we're going to do a pound and a crossover, pound and a crossover, pound and a crossover, pound and a crossover. Okay, we can go to half court or you can do it for 30 seconds on the move. Okay, and then if you have a short space, you can turn around and go the other way. Then after, we're going to go through the legs. Okay, so you're going to put it through the legs, pound, through the legs, go back through the legs, pound, through the legs, back through the legs. Okay, so the pound is going to initiate you ready to transition back into the dribble again. Then we're going to have behind the back. Okay, so you're going to pound, go behind the back, pound, go behind the back, pound, go behind the back. Then once you do that, we're going to get into the 2 dribble moves where you're going to pound and double cross, pound and double cross, pound and double cross. We're going to do pound, double cross, and then we're going to go through. Right after that, Then we are going to go pound through the legs cross, pound through the legs cross. Okay, so that is all of the dribbling that we're going to do, and those will be 30 seconds each for today. All right, so that is how we're jumping right into this beautiful workout today. Now we got that shooting drill. Okay, we're gonna shoot that basketball to the rim. We got layup, free throw, and 3-point drill. Okay, so we're gonna hit all 3 levels today. I want you to do it in succession. So I want you to lay it up, then I want you to go to the free throw line, then I want you to go to the 3-point line. Can you make all those shots in a 5-set series? Okay, so I want you to do it with your right hand, then I want you to do it going up the middle, then I want you to also do it with your left hand. Okay, so 5 sets trying to make all the shots. So you'll lay it up, you got to make it. Free throw, you got to make it. And then 3-pointer, you got to make it. All right, so basically you're going to go 5 sets on one side, 5 sets in the middle, and then 5 sets on the left side. But we're going with makes. Okay, what you'll hear in most scouting reports is he's a 3-level scorer. So what are 3 levels? Mid-range, layups, and threes. Okay, so we want to be really good at laying the ball up, and apparently we want to be really good at threes, since the mid-range percentage is a very low percentage when it comes to the game of basketball and the consistency of making the shot. Okay, 3-point percentage is something that has been shown to be a little bit higher, right? And then obviously layups, they're the highest percentage shot because you're as close as you are to the basket. Right now, the dominance is, are you good at laying the ball up, and are you good at shooting the 3? And then for defense is conditioning today. We got a little bit more defense than usual. Okay, so we're going to run our sprint, our plant in the middle, slide to the left, slide all the way across to the right. Come on back with that back pedal. Do it again. We're going to go 5 sets of this. Remember, it's going to be on both sides. So there's going to be a time where you sprint to the middle and then you plant right to left on your defensive slide. And then there's going to be a point in time where you go middle and you plant left and then slide to the right. Okay, remember, you're coming all the way across from the furthest cone to the furthest cone and then back to the middle to back pedal. Okay, this is going to be our conditioning for today for sure. And then we got liners as well. Remember, we are running to the free throw line back, running to half court and back, running to the other free throw line and back, and then running to the baseline and back. Okay, so do not forget that. We got our layups in and we got some shooting in. Just a little bit at a time. We're not going to see the results in one day or in 1 week or in 2 weeks, okay? Sometimes it takes months. Sometimes it takes a year. But we're going to keep working. We're going to keep doing it. We're going to keep going, all right? So, great job today. As I know you went out there and worked as hard as you could, make sure you continue to watch basketball. But also just basketball in general, because the best teachers are on the floor and they're the best in the world, right? You know, the ones that you see on TV. So don't forget this, though. There's one thing you should know. Remember, someone's always working. Are you?